Okay, so I'm back again. So one thing I want you to know is you should always think of array as just a normal variable. Anything that you can do to a variable, you can just do it to an array. The only difference is that an array can store a lot of data. Okay, so you can even change the value of an array. So let's change the value of the B array. So we can change the value of B at, okay, let's change the position. Africa is in the position 0, 1, 2. So 2, then let's put something like Asia over there. So it's a string, remember. So Asia. So when you run the program, you can see that instead of Africa, it will change to Asia. Okay, so you can see position 2 has been changed to Asia. So you can do concatenation, you can do a whole lot with it. Even with an integer array, you can even add the items. So let me show you how you are going to add the items. Okay, so sorry, I had a call. Okay, so this is how you are going to add the items. If you want to, you can just output the value of the array, something like this. Okay, let's use the if statement to add the items. So if you want to use the if statement to add the items, this is what you are going to do. You can declare a container or int SAC to store the total items. So C to store the total items. So C is equal to, if you want to add, you can do C is equal to C plus the array that you want to add, which is A. So A, I, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4 can handle that. But you always, if you want to add, you always have to assign something to it, let's say 0, so that it will know the initial value of C before it can start adding. So after adding, you always have to output the result outside the if statement. Or if you want to know the progress of the addition, you can output it inside the but if you want to know the final result, you can output it outside. So let's output it inside, then when we are done, you output it outside for you to know. Okay. So you can see the total, we output it inside. So the first one was 10. The first one was 10, and it's added to 210, so 220. Then we got the final result as 244. So let's do the only the total output. So if you want the total output, the output is supposed to be outside the loop or the for statement. So you can see we have only the output outside the for statement. Okay, so there is one thing that you can do if you want to really work fast. C is equal to C plus this is also the same as C is equal to this is the same as what we were doing the other time. it will give you the same answer. And that's the beauty of C. No, I think it's rather plus is equal to. Okay, so C is equal to C plus this is the same as C plus is equal to A. Yeah. So you get the same answer if you use this or you use the one that we were already using. Okay, so thank you. I'll give you more details about arrays later. But our next topic is going to be methods. I'm going to teach you how or why we need methods.